Hola clase, another day of e-learning. So we're going to work on more of Gustar, keep practicing some things that we've already worked on, but this time you're going to do some writing with it. And so you're going to be looking for some pictures in this assignment, and you're going to paste them in the boxes. So there's going to be 4 pictures you're going to look for. And you can actually take photos of people that are in the house with you, or if you don't really want to do that, you can go on the internet and find some images and paste them in the boxes. However, one of them does need to be of you because you're going to be talking about what you like. So you put those in the boxes, and then you're going to write 2 sentences, one thing about what you like and one thing about where you like to buy that thing. That's going to be a clothing item that you like. And remember to buy, I've given you the word for that. That's comprar right there. And then once you have gotten your photos and your writing done on the lines, then it's a specific way that you're going to need to turn this in, because step 3 here, you can see, I'm going to have you read these to do a little speaking practice. So you're going to tap the microphone button. You're going to need to open this in Notability for sure. This whole assignment needs to be done in Notability, because at the top in the menu of Notability, like where the T for text and the eraser and the pen and everything is, if you go over just to the right, there's a microphone. And if you tap that microphone, it'll just start recording right away. So when you're ready to record, tap the microphone, and then you can start reading what you've written. And I want you to read all 4, and then you can just tap the microphone again, and it'll stop recording. When you're ready to submit it, I've given you instructions in step 5, and it says you need to tap the Send To button, which is the button that looks like this, the export button, and then under that menu that drops down, it'll say Other Apps. So tap that, and then you need to tap Format and select Note. You'll have 3 options under Format. One will be PDF, one will be something else, and one will be Note. And you need to select Note. So when you upload that to eBackpack, it will be in the Note format, and that'll make sure your audio comes through. If you don't select Note, it'll send me what you've written and your pictures, but it won't send me your audio, so make sure you do that. Okay, now, I want to do a couple of examples with you so you can make sure that you're writing correctly in your written parts. So let's look. Let's say I didn't get a photo of me, but here I am, and I'm wearing a gorro, okay, and my stick figure self, I'm wearing gloves, okay, and let's say I'm also wearing boots. I like to wear these things in the winter, okay? So on me, I'm going to put my gustar form first. Me gusta. Okay, and I'm going to write it this way. I'm going to say me gusta llevar, because I'm going to say I like to wear. Now, you might not put llevar, and if you didn't, you would want to put me gustan, right? Because I'm going to say botas, guantes, and un gorro, right? And if I had all of those things and I didn't put llevar here, I would need the N on gustar, because those things are all plural. But I said I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to put llevar. So I leave it gusta, because llevar is one action. Even though all those clothing items are plural, llevar is just one action. So I'm going to say, a mí me gusta llevar botas, guantes, y un gorro. Okay? These are the clothing items that I like to wear. And then I'm going to say, me gusta comprar la ropa in Target. You can pick any store, wherever you like to buy it. Doesn't really matter to me wherever you like to buy your things. I just picked a random store. So, me gusta llevar botas, guantes y un gorro. Me gusta comprar la ropa en Target. Now, that's just, you can talk about yourself. So you can take a picture of yourself, and you can talk about what's in the picture, and write about where you like to buy those. Now, in the second one, you're going to pick another person. So you can take a picture of your mom or dad, or your brother, or you can dress up your dog. I don't care what you do. But you're going to pick a name of another person, okay? So you can pick a celebrity off the internet and paste their photo there, okay? So let's just say I'm going to pick SpongeBob. Now that's a he. So when I do my gustar form, think about what form you're going to use. Le, right? Le gusta. And then you can think about what SpongeBob likes to wear. Well, what does he wear? He wears square pants, right? Pantalones. Now, did I do that right? Let me look. Le gusta pantalones. Well, pantalones are plural, so I actually need to go back and put an in. Le gustan pantalones cuadrados, that's square pants. Okay? And le gusta comprar, he likes to buy. Pantalones, he likes to buy pants. En el mar, in the ocean. He likes to buy pants in the ocean. Le gusta comprar pantalones en el mar. Okay, so I just made that one up. But whenever you use comprar, that is one singular action. So your gusta form is going to be singular. Okay? So here we're just talking about somebody else. And so you'll always use le because you're talking about him or her. So just do one person. Now as we scroll down, sorry, we'll go on to the next slide, not scroll down. There we go. You're going to pick two people this time. So you'll say, a mi madre y a mi padre. My mom and my dad like. Or my brother and my sister. Or you can pick two celebrities or pick two cartoon characters or whoever you want to pick. And when you pick them, you're going to use a different gustar form, right? Les gusta. Whoever you pick, right? And then a mí y a. So now we're saying a mí, that's to me, and to someone else. If it's me and someone else, who is that? Well, that's we, right? So on our gustar form, you're looking at nos gusta. Or gustan, right? I should go back up here and put gustan. It depends on what clothing you're picking, what clothing you're picking that you like, right? Whatever you like after this is going to determine whether you need the in or not. So that's just to get you started. I want to make sure you get your gustar forms practiced correctly. When we get back next week, we'll be taking the quiz. So I want to make sure you're practicing this properly. So when you're writing those, use the correct gustar forms, and you'll write out the complete sentence then on the rest of those. You can always email me if you have any questions. Good luck.